To install your TPMS Plus system, begin by identifying suitable mounting locations for the gateway and repeaters. The gateway should be installed towards the front of the vehicle, preferably on or near the battery box. When necessary, gateway installations on the back of the cab or other available flat surfaces are suitable. Before mounting, always make sure a power supply cable can be routed to your gateway. When needed, in-cab gateways are also available. And as always, make sure not to mount a gateway where the road and tire debris may cause damage. Repeaters should be installed towards the rear of the vehicle, preferably centrally located between the tires on the first drive axle. Avoid mounting a repeater in a location where it is surrounded by metal, such as inside a crossmember. Metal can prevent sensor signals from reaching the gateway and will cause loss of data. Using the gateway as a template, mark mounting hole locations and drill with a 3/8 inch drill bit. Use supplied bolts, washers, and lock nuts to attach the gateway. Mount repeaters using the included cable ties or with bolts or rivets. The repeater harness should be secured to a factory wire harness or air lines with supplied cable ties and routed towards the battery box. Starting at the component farthest from the battery box, this is usually the repeater. Connect one lead of the wire harness to the weather pack connector on the repeater harness. Connect the second lead of the wire harness to the weather pack connector on the remaining component. Secure the harness to the factory wire harness or air lines using the supplied cable ties and route towards the battery box. Next, connect the ring terminals of the harness to the battery terminals. Make sure to secure any excess harness using the provided cable ties. Also, ensure the wire harness will not interfere with the installation of a battery cover. Finally, let's verify everything is wired correctly. Start by verifying the 2-amp fuse is installed in the wiring harness fuse holder. Next, verify the status lights on all of the equipment. The gateway should have a red light blink once every 3 seconds. The sending unit should have lights flash amber and green until a signal is acquired. Then the lights will go solid. Repeaters should have a solid red light that will only blink when communicating with sensors.